comfort from the wise words of Winston Churchill, who said, and I quote, "Truth is incontrovertible. Malice may attack it, and ignorance may deride it. But in the end, there it is." At the center of the firestorm that had almost consumed the 2-day-long hearings and had consumed us the most was the Sinovac vaccine for a number of reasons. First, it was the best and the worst defended among the list or among at least 7 brands of vaccines that the Philippine government has put on the table for consideration. Vaccine SAR Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr. and Health Secretary Francisco Duque III particularly were in chorus in claiming that we already secured Sinovac supply of 25 million doses. They claimed that we sealed the deal and have a locked-in agreement with Sinovac, and an initial 50,000 doses are already available for our vaccine delivery by February 20 onwards. Then, in a seemingly coordinated communication strategy, Presidential spokesman Secretary Harry Roque was announcing in a press conference that Sinovac vaccine was the only vaccine available from February to June, and Filipinos cannot be choosy, as in take Sinovac or wait until after June this year to be inoculated. When the Senate hearings raised more questions than answers about Sinovac,
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.